everyone, nice to meet you again. I am Miss Leah. Welcome back to my channel. Let's learn again together. So, for today we are going to learn about some vocabularies. Let's learn about name of fruits. We are going to learn the vocabularies using this toy. I bought this toy in IKEA, Tangerang. So, I need a scissor. This is scissor. It's quite big. So when you want to open something with the scissor, please be careful. For example, you want to take it and you carry, you have to cover the scissor like this, so it's safe. And when you use, you change and you do like this. So I cut the plastic. Make sure you put the scissor back, right? And be careful. Put it here. Let's see what's inside. And I want to keep the plastic here. So when I have finished use the toy, I can put it back inside the plastic. Look. Wow. This is banana. What is this? Banana. Look, it can be opened like this. Wow, it looks like real. There you go. Yes. This is banana. And this one? Grape. This is grape. Just put it here all together. And this one is my favorite. Watermelon. What is this? Watermelon. And this one? Orange. There are two oranges, so we say it oranges. There are two. And this one? Kiwi. This is kiwi. And what is this? Is it apple or pear? Let's see. This is apple. Green apple. Okay. Here you go. Okay, you can see. So, I also get the basket. It's so cute, right? Now let's put it back, the fruits, the toy fruits, inside the basket here. Oh, the basket can be opened like this. See? And you close again. Okay. Let's repeat after me. Apple. What is this? Apple. Green apple. This one? Kiwi. Yes, this is kiwi. And this one? Orange. I have two oranges here. And how about this? Watermelon. This is watermelon. And this one? Grape. This is grape. And the last one is banana. This is banana. So, when you buy this toy, you can try like you did before. You mention the name of the fruits and you can pretend to play like For example, eat this. You also can play like what else? Maybe cutting. Okay, so it's easy, right? I hope you have fun with your toy when you buy it. So let's say goodbye to all the toys. Bye. So let's put inside. Bye bye. Like I said before, I want to put inside again. Inside the plastic. See? Bye. Let's say goodbye to Miss Lia too. Bye. See you. And see you next time.